guys, this is Meghna and today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Meet. For that, this is Google Meet page. For getting this, you just have to search Google Meet in the browser so that you get this screen. So after you get the screen, over here you have new meeting. So you can start a new meeting or enter a code or link to join a meeting. Over here, you get the code or link which is shared by somebody else. So that if you control V, if you have a link, you can directly join. So for now, you see that the join option is disabled, but when you give a proper meeting link or code which is shared by others and they told you to join in the meet, so this will be enabled. And then you have start a new meeting. That means that if you click on that, you get these three options that you can get a new meeting link so that you can share it to everyone and you can join and you can discuss about your things. You can share it to your colleagues, friends, and anybody else. So you can start an instant meeting or you can schedule and Google Calendar of your friends and all and tell them to join for Google Meet, which is going to be held after 2 days, tomorrow, and you can schedule it now. That's prior. So for now I'm going to start a new meeting and get a meeting link so that I can share it to everyone. So I'm going to copy this. This button is indicated for copying the link, copied meeting link. So just click on Control V so that you can join. So joining, over here you can just turn off your microphone and you have blurred background also. So guys, for now I'm I'm gonna join the meeting as StudyFair, or if you want to switch the account, you can click on switch account. So you can pick any of account which is there in your Google. So I want StudyFair only. So here you can present your screen by joining, or you can directly join. No one else is in here. So it's telling that no one else is there in the link which you are joining, because we only joined it and we did not share it to anybody else. So here you are having turn on camera and you can blur your background so that people will not be able to see your background clearly. So for now I'm joining. So when you join, guys, this is how it looks. So if you want to see who are there in the meeting, like the participants or the people in the meeting, here you have this show everyone with a participant symbol. So here no one else is there except StudyFair. That is me, myself. So you can add people by clicking on add people button. So these are the suggestions. Or if you want to add someone who is not there in the suggestion, or a new mail or a new person, so you can just give the mail over here. So, and this is the chat. If you want to share any link, you can just Control V by copying it and share it over here. And you can also, when your microphone is not working, you want to talk, you can just give the message by typing. So here also you have chat, and here this is the timing, and this is me. I can pin myself, unpin myself. And if you see the bottom, you have meeting details. This is the arrow mark which points upside. So this is details. So joining info, that is the Google Meet link. You can again copy it if you would like. And here attachments. So I got no attachment from Google Calendar. If you have, it will be shown right here. So, and turn on captions. What does this mean? So you see, what I talk will be written over here in the form of text. So that is the meaning of captions. And now you can present your screen. So you have present your entire screen, just a window or a Google Chrome tab. So now I'm going to not present my screen. So you have more options beside this. So if you click on that, you get this thing, list, whiteboard, open a jam. So this means like Jamboard, Google Jamboard, you can open it. So if you click on that, you can start a new whiteboard or a jam, or choose it from your Google Drive. And next, change layout. So here you can change the layout. And the next thing is enter full screen. So it has been entered full screen. I can click on escape button or just click on this cross. And then you also have turn on background blur. While joining also you can do that, and afterwards if you want to turn on your camera later and if you want to blur your background, you can do this. Again, you have the same thing, turn on captions, and then you have a report problem. If you have any problem which you're facing with this Google Meet, you can just report it. So now I'm not having anything, cancel. So, and you want some help, you can click over here and the same thing. Now you have settings option over here. What does the settings mean? Audio, video, and general. Audio, here you can test your microphone. For now it's on, so it's not giving test option. You can test your speakers. Video, it's currently off. These are few settings related to video. And general, so general things. So this is my camera is currently turned off. You can just turn on and you can leave the call or off the microphone. So that's it about this Google Chrome meeting and Google Meet, and the meetings held, what are the options and all in Google Meet. So thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye. So I'm gonna leave the call. Okay, you can rejoin. Anyways, bye bye.